Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Melissa, your coach with Forex Sisters II, and I've brought you here today to go over some benefits of Forex Sisters II today. Let's go over and look at some notes that I made so that we could collaborate and look at, there's a lot of people, there's a lot of questions out there, what could our program, our training services do for you? There's a lot going on. There's many traders, investors, brokers out there who create their own training, and they want to share those websites and strategies, and it's great. We're all coming together. It's a community, and it's nice for everybody to share that. So for today, we're going to do and talk about Forex Sisters Innovative Instructions. So far, when you subscribe, our strategy starts with basic information. It's going to start very basic, what you're going to need, computer versus mobile. With this strategy in our training, it is possible to get started, with your mobile, but it's very, very detrimental that you also try to do the same on computer. Your training should be mostly by computer. Post-training, once you finish most trainings, you can do most of your trading and charts by mobile. But, it's still going to be very important to get on those computer charts. There's so much more that you can see, and it's just very important to start somewhere where, the details are going to be there. As far as mobile, it's just something that you can take with you. You can check in, but it's not something that you're going to absolutely want to try to edit all the time, especially those charts. Now, as far as the MetaTrader application, yes, you're able to go in and evaluate your orders, which is very nice. So back to the beginning startup, it's discussed what you'll need, as far as brokers. A lot of people go through brokers. Basically, I say shop for what you would like to have personally in a broker. There's the applications again, MetaTrader, TradingView are the top two, that you can use to get started. Also, in the beginner format, you're going to start vocabulary, or as I like to say, an investor's lingo. It's very important to know, the details and the words that we use in this community to get you going further. There's a more intense vocabulary, goes into more details. You also discuss money. There's a lot of risk management, money management, and that's always going to be continuous, continuous working on and discovering that. And then you get into the multiple strategies, the charts, multiple strategies that you're going to be learning with us, maybe detailed benefits that you can use in creating your own charts. There's a lot of talk that, yes, I've joined this or I've joined that, and we have a mentor, we get signals, but that's not actually what we want. And yes, it happens, but you have to understand and respect your brokers, your investors, your mentors, and you also have to dig deep and look for the education that you are looking for. Make sure you look for what you're actually needing. If you want a deeper education, yes. If you just need somebody to help you gain those signals, then that's what you're going to get. There's a lot of people who don't have that time to create their own strategy and mark up their own charts, and do the work. There's two types of people. There's the person that, would like to trade on the side, that, is willing to pay for, somebody already gaining that work and that momentum towards the signals that they'll need. And then you have the other type of person that they want to dig deep, they want the details, they want to create their own. This is something that they've been wanting to do, and they want to train specifically to do that. And between the two, it can be costly. But our subscription is very affordable. Check out that website again, and we're here to just let everybody in on this opportunity. It's just overwhelming blessing. Okay, so back to the money and the strategies. Different kinds of strategies, not just the charts. We train you and other aspects that can confirm your signals even more, towards closer to a more precise signal. Let's see, that should be charts. Also, we also train more on MetaTrader, how to, look at the details on MetaTrader and figure out, it's a lot of detail, it's a lot of practice, as far as mobile versus computer. I'm more of a mobile person. There's a lot of people out there who prefer the computer. That's what they started with, that's what they went for. But I know I favored the mobile because I can take it with me, and that's important. I'm not one to sit in front of the computer a lot, so it's nice when you have so much to do throughout your day and you don't want to have to stay at the office. I'm able to leave the chart and fix my orders the way I need to and take it with me. So that's a huge incentive, but we show you a lot of those details. And then there's separate issues too. There's a lot going on in the world, and we go over fundamentals. Once you subscribe, you'll understand more about fundamentals and what actually is going on with that detail. It's another type of strategy that's very effective. Applications. Different applications that help those fundamentals are on the website as well. And offer tutorials. I know I was almost invited to a platform that I heard, I didn't get to join. My opportunity came and surfaced before I joined other scenarios, and this one happened to work out for me. But I remember there was a lot of discussion about, back again to not getting the assistance that they needed. Students needed more assistance. So we offer, we're always available by email. Send us an email if you have a question. We will contact you back, reply as soon as we can. We also offer ourselves. We have one-on-one tutoring sessions, coach tutorials. Obviously, though, the subscription is for you at your own leisure. The one-on-one coach tutorials is separate rate only because, we're being pulled for our time. Your time, our time, everybody's time is very valuable. And it means different to each individual person. So that way, that's a reason why rates do apply. contact us for the, for scheduling and whatnot, but we're very available for that. And then we also offer live webinars, Q&As for our students. Certain days of the week, it's almost like a live class session. We go over a little bit of content, and then we open the floor for the students. Bring your notes, bring your questions, and we will try to help you as best we can. We try to schedule those to accommodate to the majority. If necessary, contact us. If we need to schedule at a different time that's, more effective, we can do that. So after all that, it's lots of studying. You should be, if you've, attacked this training thoroughly with studying the content thoroughly, students will be able to create charts and their own signals. And you're gonna continue to grow as a trader, investor, just with like any career. So there's going to be a lot of trial and error, and that's why we offer the advanced training. It's optional. It's up to you. You don't have to join, but there we continue on, and that is where we, help the student transition from a demo to a live account. So that's basically the gist of Forex Sisters Innovative Instruction. If you have any questions, contact us. We're at forexsisters@yahoo.com. Subscribe to us on IG. Follow us YouTube. We're on Facebook. We do have a public group, Forex Sisters Public, on Facebook. And we can add you to a messenger where we have, online collaboration for possible interested, So let us know if you'd like to join any of those, or go ahead and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys soon in starting your Forex journey. I appreciate your time and you being here. So everybody continue to have, great days. Many blessings, and Coach Melissa here. Hope to see you guys on the other side. Thanks again.